One of the questions we're getting asked almost every single day is, Parker, how are interest rates being impacted by inflation? And I want to cover that in today's video. This is something we've been tracking very closely because back in June, when rates started to spike aggressively to, of course, combat inflation, it impacted the real estate market quite significantly. Until about September, October, rates kept rising. They're finally starting to come down. And for reference, we saw as high as 8% interest rates. And today, we're sitting between 5.5% and 6%. We've seen 5 consecutive positive inflation reports, which means what the federal government is doing is working. We're seeing prices come down across the board because interest rates are lower. The difference between 2 points on a lot of properties can be up to thousands of dollars per month on your monthly mortgage. So when interest rates move, it's a big deal. And it's something that buyers keep a very close eye on. However, it's also something I want sellers to keep an eye on because it impacts how many buyers in the marketplace to buy their home. Supply and demand, of course. The report that came out yesterday showed that the federal government was going to raise interest rates 0.25%. That doesn't mean that home prices or home interest rates are going to be impacted. It just means that they are slowing the aggressive nature of rising rates in order to combat inflation. So we've seen 5 positive reports. I expect we'll see another one in March. But for right now, the real estate market is starting to heat up. And with rates entering the mid-5s, we're starting to see multiple offers again. We're starting to see buyers getting into the marketplace because they know what's happening. They know when interest rates go down, prices go up. We may have another month or 2 of this buyer's market that we've been in, produced strictly based on interest rates and the environment around interest rates. But when we start to see those plateau and things go back to normal, I think we'll start to see a very neutral marketplace. If you're in the market to buy or sell a house right now, it's very important that you stay informed on what's going on with inflation and with interest rates because they're directly correlated. And if you ever have any questions, you want to have a conversation, please reach out anytime. This is Parker Pemberton with Pemberton Homes, brokered by eXp Realty. Talk to you soon.